Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Binance app on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Binance app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, the next thing you need to do is go to the official website of Binance, because that's where we're going to download the app. So just type binance.com in the search bar. Now, just a quick reminder, guys, make sure that you type the website correctly so you'll be directed to the official Binance website and not to some fake or unsafe websites. And once you're now on the website, just scroll down a little bit until you see the download section. From there, you'll see different download options depending on what device you are using. In my case, I'm using a Windows PC, so I'm just going to click the Windows icon right here. And after that, the Binance installer will now start downloading, so just wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, you can now open or click the installer file to start installing the app. And then right here, simply click the install button. After that, Binance will now begin installing on your PC or laptop. Just wait for the installation process to finish. And once it's done, that's it, guys. Congratulations, you now have the Binance app installed on your PC or laptop. You can now log into your account or create a new one and then start using the app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.